Hello, Chris Piehota with you. Wanted to talk a little bit about the impact of activist judges and activism from the bench on our legal system. It is destroying the credibility of our legal system. And here's a quick example of bringing your personal ideology into the courtroom. Lady Justice is supposed to be blind. Lady Justice does not prefer flags and other gadgetry and imagery over anything. Here's another example of where I think the social trends of late have impacted our justice system.
Judge Rosie Speedlin Gonzalez became the first openly gay judge to be elected in Bexar County.
Okay, first. Everybody's interested in firsts. How about best instead of firsts?
Within months of taking the bench, a complaint was made by a local defense attorney to the State Commission on Judicial Conduct about the rainbow pride flag she had in her courtroom.
It came across very much like I was being targeted and discriminated against.
I doubt that. I don't think she was being discriminated against. I don't think you should have social ideological imagery in your courtrooms. It gives people the impression that you have preferences in social issues and not the objective, apolitical administration of the law.
And it wasn't just the rainbow pride flag that she was forced to remove.
I was also ordered to remove all rainbows from the courtroom. My mouse pad, the pen that I used, the robe where I had a sarape, colors.
Gonzalez states her disappointment is also because other judges across the state have not been required to remove flags or different color robes from their courtrooms.
Are they going to go to these judges who have an Irish flag in their courtroom or wear a camouflage robe when they want to, or make sure that out in the rural counties there isn't a Confederate flag flying in some little JP court?
I doubt if you're going to find the Confederate flag flying in any courtroom, but I guess she has a point.
She has since made an appeal on the ruling and is awaiting to get her day in court, which can come later this year. And as she waits, she's making sure to continue to be a leading advocate for the LGBTQ+.
Why is she an advocate for LGBTQ causes? She should be an advocate for the law, the legal system of the United States, not a social cause.
Community any way she can.
It's become a year-round type of approach to life, to live authentically and to live out loud.
The State Commission
Sounds like a communist.
on Judicial Conduct does not comment on pending litigation. An appellate court of 3 justices.
All right, let's let this story develop a little bit further, and let's see where this activist judge is now. Oh, wait a minute. She was arrested for allegedly and unlawfully having an attorney handcuffed and locking him in a jury box. She has been arrested. And again, celebrated as the first openly gay judge to be elected in Bexar County. Who cares? We need fair, objective, apolitical, and professional judges who show good jurisprudence, not adherence to social causes. These activist judges are destroying the credibility of our once great legal system. And our elected officials in the federal government have got to do something to get these clowns off the bench.